Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to hide or show your window level taskbar. So let's. The first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here. What you need to do is to simply click on your start menu, and this is going to come up. Next thing you need to do is to go to settings. It's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to go to personalization. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to taskbar. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down right here where you see automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. Simply click on this particular button right here, and your taskbar is going to be hidden. And if you want to unhide it back, simply turn on this particular button, and your taskbar will be back. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to hide the taskbar in desktop mode. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows 11 laptop. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.